UK Black Wolf, Cooking with the Wolf.
Hello and welcome to Cooking with the Wolf, episode 7. On today's episode, I'm going to be attempting to make some cakes. Now, I'm no professional chef, so let's see how I did. Okay, what I have here today is this pan for putting the cakes in afterwards, or tray thingy, a whisk, a bowl, the flour stuff thingy, an egg, wrapping stuff, icing, scrapey thingy, sweet stuff you sprinkle over the top. So the first thing I would say is we would start off with butter. I think, yeah, butter. We need butter, which I did not get out. So with your butter, just, I guess, 6 cakes. Okay, there you go. Butter. I will leave that there for now. And I guess we need this in here. Full of it. Okay, and the next thing is a bit of milk, I believe. Just a little bit of milk. Egg. That's what else. Yep, an egg next. Trying to make sure you don't get any of the shell in it at all. Steady. Perfect. And then the next thing I believe you do is you just whisk. Plug it in, make sure it's on, it's on. Okay. Right. This wire is annoying. I'm not left-handed. Okay, setting 1, I guess. once you've done that, I'm just going to grab old thingy, turn that off, unplug that. That's just so it's going to come out everywhere. Let's have a tea. I believe the next step, once you've got a mixture just like this, I believe that means you've done it successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cake pan, and I'm going to place the, I really should know the name of this stuff, 6 of these in here. I'm going to grab my scraper and I'm going to carefully pour the mixture carefully. If this goes any slower, come on. There we go. That's one. A little bit more. Okay, stop now. And over the next one. Two. Okay, that will do. Next one. Three, okay. And next one. Four. And once you've added in your mixture, if you have some left, you can either try to get some more of the cake interior, or you can top it up, sum up a bit more. Using the scraper just to try to make sure nothing's wasted, or to add more to your cake. It's one of them two. Wasting is always preferred not, I guess, but yeah. A bit more to this one. Bit more to this one. That's probably an easy way to hold this. Come on. And, okay, see if we can get one more for this one here. Just a little bit more, come on. Maybe it's easier to do it that way. Okay, to do that. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing you'll need to do is, I guess, put it in the oven. It might have been best if you had the oven on in the first place. I think that might have been best. In this scenario, I did not do that. So, let's turn this on. That one is not the one to that. Or is it? Maybe the other way. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, way out. Come on. There we go. That was a mission. I'm just going to replace these as the flame is there, so Theoretically, that might be better. Or that could burn them. I don't know. Let's find out. So I'm going to leave that in there just for a little while, and then I'll be right back as soon as they're done. So, okay, they should be around about done now. So, carefully. I don't have oven gloves. I should have oven gloves. I've only got this towel. I can find it. And it's not working successfully. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. Okie dokie. Turn that off. And turn that off. So here are the cakes so far. This is them. The next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to turn it around. Why am I doing it this way? Is this even hot? Yeah, it is hot. Very hot. Anyway, we're just going to take these out of here. I'm going to move. To there again. And the next thing I'm going to do is, they're straight out the oven, is use some of this icing. Just attempt to add, well, this one went terribly. Okay, I've got 6 trials to do a good icing one. Comes up a lot faster than, ooh, this one's going better. Maybe I should start from the middle. Oh yeah. Slightly better, slightly better. Icing is difficult. I have learned that. Oh, this one's terrible. This one's gone terrible. Let's try. I have no idea whether it's center in or center out. I had to do that. Well, come on, that can't be the tin. Really? I only just bought this. Yeah. Okay. The other way. Nope. Might have used too much. Okay. Right. I'm out. So, do not worry if you're out. There is a solution to every problem. I have none to this one though. So, there is this one and 2 plain. The next thing we'll be doing is we'll be undoing this. Does it say what it is? No. And just sprinkling a little bit over the top. Wow, that one came out perfectly with the eye. Too much. There's no icing on this, so should I put... There is a little bit on that one. Dun, 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 dun. There you go. Ah, might as well. Even if there's no icing. So, here is cake number 1. Cake number 2. Cake number 3. Cake number 4. I did the icing really badly. Cake number 5. Just run out of icing. And a plain one. So, there we go. 6 own-made cakes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do the new Wolf rating system. It's like stars, but instead it's Wolf bites. So, instead of stars, it goes up to 5, as 5 is fantastic and 1 is terrible, I guess. So let's try these cake. So I don't know if you put the icing in the fridge to let it settle or not. But it's still hot. Okay then, let's tell you how good this is. Too much icing maybe. It's okay. I need a tissue. I'm not sure. About that, I need tissue now. I would rate this cake 2 wolf bites. So, yeah, 2 wolf bites. Okay, out of 5. Well, that's the end of today's episode. Those cakes were okay. I gave them 2 wolf bites out of 5, so yeah, not perfect, but okay. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, let me know by clicking the like button. And if you have any ideas on how I can improve my cakes, don't forget you can leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to see more videos just like this one. You never even know, maybe even better. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.